Greetings everyone! I can't wait to share this homemade Louisiana crunch cake recipe with you all today. In my opinion, this cake is moist, fluffy, and natural in taste. Are you ready to chow on? Well, let's bake this cake. Hands are washed, ingredients are listed, and the oven is set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this is a medium-sized cake. I do not have a cylinder pound cake pan, so I used a spring-form pan with a metal biscuit cutter piece to give my cake the store-bought look. If you want a bigger cake, double the ingredients. In a saucepan, melt 1 stick of butter, the buttermilk, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Stir and cook well until it's incorporated but not boiled. Set aside and cool for now. Let's coat our pan with butter. Now, to achieve that crunchy texture, we are layering our pan with sugar and sweetened coconut flakes. Set aside. In a large bowl, sift flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, and mix well. I use a whisk. Add the wet ingredients from the saucepan to the dry ingredients and stir. Add 1 egg and stir. And then add the other egg and stir. Add sour cream and stir. Once mixed, the batter will be thick, not runny. So pour the batter into our prepped pan and bake for 40 minutes until the toothpick comes out clean. Now for the glaze. In a NutriBullet, mixer, or food processor, mix chopped almonds, melted butter, coconut milk, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and almond extract. Here's a tip. Always add the extracts at the end. That way, you won't ruin the potency or flavor of the extracts. Message. Next, pulse into smooth and creamy consistency. Let the cake cool and layer on the glaze with a pastry brush in a circular motion. Continue to layer the cake and wait until layers cool before applying more layers. Now, I only layered twice, but you can do whatever you like. Ha ha ha, layer it as many times as you like. Now, let's eat the cake. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating this recipe for you. Please remember to follow and like all things CHOWONEATS. See you later.